Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Ultimate Design। आज हम फिर से एक लेटेस्ट इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लेके हाजिर हुए हैं आपके सामने। आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल टू नेवर मिस आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। The topic of today's video is modern flooring inlays। There are many options available for flooring inlays. The variations could be in wood, marble, tile, pattern, concrete, and many more. Let's visit our website findinteriordesign.com. Scroll down and you'll get different options as per your need. Go to the Interior Material and Services option. Here, you can see many variations about home materials. Click on the flooring option. You can see, we specially categorized the inlays in 4 different options. Go to the flooring inlay option. Here, you have to fill a form to get the details about the products. Here, you'll get all the informations about the products and their best manufacturers. From here, you can purchase the products too. Go to the other options to get more details. Hope you got a clear idea about our website. Let's get back into the video. These inlays are made of thick wooden material, which provides guaranteed durability. These are available in different color variations, and requires less maintenance. In our website, we provide you with the latest types of inlays, like radiant heat flooring inlays. With these types of inlays, you can keep your feet warm and comfortable. This is available in 3 different variations: electric, hydronic, and air heated. Electric systems are quicker and less expensive to install. Hydronic systems are costly and have more of a complicated design. Air-heated systems are not very cost-effective, as it needs solar light to be heated. We work according to the client's taste to create statement pieces befitting the personal style and preference. Our team of designers works with you to ensure that our inlays are in sync with your interior or exterior ambience. With our refined tastes and thoughts, we can transform your space while highlighting your unique individuality. The inlays are water resistant, fire resistant, and are tested in extreme conditions. Metal wood inlays are created to give a very smooth and silky surface. We can change the patina with a hard wax oils to enhance the grain effect and protect the surface over time. Metal inlays are evidence to contemporary craftsmanship that continues a tradition of ancient techniques of metal inlay on woods. It brings out the richness and the liveliness of the whole decor, making a real statement. We can also create interesting patterns and effects in hardwood flooring using wood stains. Let's find together the place you deserve. Please like our video, it motivates us to work more hard for you guys. Don't forget to comment down your opinions about the video, and please let us inform on which topic the next video should be.